Welcome to our guide on how to uncover hidden details in Facebook Marketplace listings. Sometimes important information is hidden, but we are always here to help you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Use your phone or tablet, open the Facebook app and navigate to the Marketplace listing with hidden information. Step 2. Click the share icon, curved arrow, below the list photo. Step 3. Select copy link to save the list link to your clipboard. Step 4. Open the Chrome app and log into Facebook. Step 5. Paste the link into the address bar and go to the list. Step 6. Scroll down and voila! Hidden information is now displayed. Remember to exercise caution if you contact a seller outside of Facebook. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below. We will record and answer your questions in the most enthusiastic way, and now you're equipped to reveal those hidden gems. Like and subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Man Detective Gemstone.